Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa from canned tomatoes. First, gather your ingredients, including a large can of whole peeled tomatoes, a small onion, and fresh cilantro. Next, prepare your vegetables by finely chopping them. Then, combine everything in a food processor and blend until smooth. Finally, taste and adjust the seasonings to your liking for a delicious, easy salsa. To begin, you'll need one large can, about 28 ounces, of whole peeled or diced tomatoes. Drain them well. Next, finely chop one small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 jalapeno, removing seeds for less heat. Have fresh cilantro, the juice of 1 lime, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin ready for later steps. Now, transfer your drained tomatoes, chopped onion, garlic, and jalapeno into a food processor. Pulse the mixture a few times until it reaches your desired salsa consistency, whether chunky or smooth. Then, add about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, the juice from 1 lime, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Pulse just once or twice more to combine these fresh flavors. Finally, taste your homemade salsa and adjust the seasonings. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. If the salsa tastes a bit too acidic, a small pinch of sugar can help balance the flavors beautifully. For the best taste, chill your salsa in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy it with your favorite tortilla chips or as a topping for tacos.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.